Hey guys, this is gonna be another EDC update. You all have EDC. EDC stands for Everyday Carry, the items you have in your pocket. So all of you have your EDC. You have your wallet, you have your phone, and all that stuff. But EDC, what I'm doing here, I wanna spread the word why you should all have a EDC. This is more in the mindset of preparedness. So you want to be prepared. You need, for example, a lighter, you want a flashlight, you have a little pocket knife and all that good stuff, because even if you don't need it, you should still have them on you in case you need it. And they're really pocket items that can save you, potentially save your life one day. You're gonna cut the seat belts with your knife. You have a blackout, and all sorts of potential threats can happen. And it's always good to be a sheepdog and not sheep, and be ready for whatever. And I just like the philosophy, and this is what got me into YouTube and everything. One of my first YouTube video was EDC update on my different channel, at a different channel. And yeah, let's just start with the EDC update. So I have a wallet. This is a very well-worn wallet. It's made by Roncato, Italy. And when I first got it, I wasn't really thought much of it, but over the years, it really grew on me because it's such a nice leather, and you can see lots of tear and wear. This rides on my ass, on my back right pocket, and my jeans. And yeah, I love this wallet. I tried and tested so many wallets during the years, but this one is just right for me. It works. It has a nice coin pouch, and just a dream. I'm gonna miss this one when I'm probably will get another one. I like the two-fold wallet. It's the best here. Also, all the stuff I will go through all the stuff. This was my rotation since the last EDC update, and sometimes I'm not gonna carry 3 watches or 3 knives at once, but this was in my rotation. So the new stuff I got some leather stuff. This is my old leather band I got at the seaside at one of my vacations, one of my first vacations. I think my wife got this to me, but it's because of me. I always love these leather bands and bracelets and whatnot on my wrist, on my secondary wrist when I'm not wearing a watch. And it's always cool, but I got another one, this one here. And also my wife got me this because I think it was a little, has a little anchor here, and I like that. It's a cheapo, but it's kind of cool. I like the anchor. It's a nautical theme, and it's just a piece of leather. I reworked this one actually. It had a little loops around. But that kind of broke. But what this goes, you wrap it around your wrist and you have a little anchor, which is super cool, especially in the summer. I love this stuff. Some of you may think it's silly, but I always loved it ever since I was a little kid. And what I really need to add to this one is a paracord band or paracord bracelet, because paracord is a 550 parachute cord, and it's a multi-purpose. I can use this to tie something in a pinch, but paracord is so much more useful, and you can get like, I don't know, 10 feet of paracord in a one paracord band, and you have that. I like that, so I need to get it. What I got this Venetian design here, this engraving Zippo, and I really always wanted to have one. I always wanted to have the brass one, but this one also works. I got this on the FreeBay. It was very cheap, but I always wanted, when I saw one, I had to have it, and I've been rocking it every day. Occasionally I will light up a cigar or a cigarette, depends on the mood, but I'm not a regular smoker. I used to be, but I'm not anymore. But I just love the Zippo, and not just because of the Venetian, but it's a Zippo, and it's a cool thing, and I love it. So yeah, one of my favorite EDC items this summer is this one Venetian Zippo. And let me go over to the keys. I would love to have lots of stuff on my keys. As you can see, I do have. And EDC gunner is a gunner. Let me just address all of you guys. Where's the gun, man? I'm in Europe. I can have a gun, but it takes a lot of bureaucracy to get to one. So I'm not in the mood right now for that, but definitely in the future I'm planning to get some. But EDC gunner does not stand because I like guns and everything. I do love guns, but EDC gunner stands because I'm an Arsenal fan, and their nickname is the gunner. Gunner is because of the blacksmith, the Arsenal they were building. There was a big factory back in London, and they were producing, it was armory, so they are basically armory team, and that's their history. And that's why there's a logo here. On the logo there's big cannon, and hence the gunner, EDC gunners, because I like gunners, because I'm a big supporter of Arsenal. I'm a big fan. I got this on my keys. It was a gift from my best friend, and it's really something cool to have. And I want to address that because of the story. Everyone asks, EDC gunner, but where's the gun? Don't you worry about my guns. And that's it. I'm an Arsenal fan. They're gunners. I'm an EDC guy. I like EDC. I started YouTube because of EDC and cutlery lover. It was my inspiration. Later on, I moved my focus to watches because I'm such a big watch guy. I love watches. I collect them. I review them. If you are into watches, subscribe. I give advices, what watches to get, what not to get, and all that stuff. And the way I've been watching Толстой Kafkaevsky video, and was trying to sell his watches to a pawn shop, and the guy was offered him like 20 bucks. Oh son, if you bought smart, if you bought Seikos, then you would get your money back. So yeah, here I have a little cash stash. I keep this some emergency cash. In here you can store pills as well. It's aluminum, it's waterproof, and it's good for keys. I have another titanium one. This is a bit tighter. You cannot store cash in it, but it's a nice straw. This is a nice straw for snorting cocaine inside. So when everyone has some, I do mine, and I say I got my own, and it's a titanium. So yeah, it's a very cool. You unscrew this part, and you unscrew this part, and you have a straw. I guess you can keep some pills inside, but I just like to have it inside. It's at least for some spring bars. A little big pan, mini big pan, which I modified. I cut the big one, and I just used the flap here, and I stopped it. And in a pinch on my keys, I have a little something whenever I need it, and I don't have it. And Phoenix Eo5 Flashlight. Sorry, I have some focus issues. Let me just check it. Sorry about that. Phoenix Eo5, beautiful flashlight. Well, this is a first generation, the older one. It's a AAA flashlight. Like I said, everyone should have a flashlight. If you don't think so, just get Phoenix Eo5. They're like 20 bucks, and it's a really good quality brand. And you'd be surprised how many times you need a flashlight. And if you're a watch guy watching this from my watch reviews, then you can use it to light up the loom on your Seikos. So yeah, another good use for it. So I decided, since my last time here, I decided to add a little Spyderco knife on my keys. This is a Spyderco Grasshopper, I think. This is a bug series. There's a Spyderco bug. It's a way smaller, but this one's super sharp, and I like having it's a slip joint. It does not lock, but has a strong detent. I like to have it on my keys because sometimes in a hurry, this morning I left my home without a watch. So sometimes in a hurry, I'm just gonna grab my keys and a wallet, phone, you never know. And I like to have backup tools on my keychain, so I like that, having that. That's pretty much what the keys. I don't want to make all these noises anymore. Regarding what else, I got a new cool sunglasses. I'm a fan of Persol, but I always wanted to have this one because you can fold these up, and this is super cool. You can, in a pinch, just put them in a pocket of your shirt or in your jeans, and I love it. People like to carry the pouch for the glasses, but I don't. I just toss them in my little pocket in my shirt, and yeah, super cool glasses. These are handmade in Italy. I'm not really sure about that, how much of the truth there is in that, but they're cool. They have a cool story. This is a Persol, Steve McQueen, all that stories, but I'm not really into that. But I do like the cool factor of it, and I do definitely recommend to check these out. What else do I have here? Let's talk knives, then we talk watches. Okay, this is a Spyderco Persistence. It's a middle one. You have Ambitious, and the bigger one. This is a Persistence, and you can see I've been using this one a lot. And I got a same better Spyderco from my mate Alex. And thank you, Alex. He said it was a birthday gift, so thank you so much. This is the coolest birthday gift I ever got. This is a Spyderco Para 2, but I don't know. Somehow I'm using this one as a beater, and this one is my fancy knife because I don't get the opportunity to go to Walmart. We don't have a Walmart you can get and buy Spydercos. You have to pay import fees and everything else, and that's why I'm babying this one. It's a super sharp, and I'm using this one as my beater knife. I always have this one, but I'm babying this one because it has a super cool golden Colorado USA earth, and that's just super cool to me. Just like a super cool muscle car, American muscle cars. I know our cars are better here in Europe, but muscle cars are super cool, and Zippo, and this one has a little theme going on. So I'm not carrying this one all the time because it's a kind of large, and it's a summer. Most of the days I'm wearing shorts because it's so hot. It's so freaking hot. It's like 35 degrees today, and it's unbearable. So you cannot have a lots of pockets, but at least I have this one. When I'm not having this one, I'm having my Dragonfly here. And this is one of the coolest knives. This one's, oops, sorry you guys, sorry. I'm gonna have to edit this out. And this is a super cool. It's not the quality as this one, but as it's a real champ. And this is my first FRN scales. I never liked these, but when I got them, they are very solid. I thought it was gonna be just a plasticky feel, but it's not. And when I'm having this one, it's usually because of my Orange Monster. This is Seiko Orange Monster for generations. I took this to my vacation. This is a die watch. It's orange. It's super cool. And because of that, I have this one little matchy thing going on, and I will find the orange lighter, and I don't know. It's kind of cool. I like combination, and it's a super cool watch. Hard to find these days, but I think these two work very well. And I think we have a thumbnail photo here. So okay, so we got one watch, one knife. Another knife I have here. I have this here. This is a pouch I got. This is for storing watches. It's made by Vario Singapore. It was sent to me for review to check it out, and it's nothing much to it. You still put your watch in here, and when I went to my vacation, I used this one. You put your watch in here, spare watch, and over here, just do this. Okay, very professional. I have a headphones, so yeah, you can store your charging cable in here or something, but I like this one, and it protects your watch, and it's really cool. So I have here, I have headphones. I like having headphones with me, because people complain about me watching all those YouTube videos when and making all kinds of noises, and I don't care. I like watching YouTube more than TV, and that's really something else. And next, what I got here, I have some money, some change for beer money. I will have this one, Leatherman Square P4. I think this has so many years with me now that I just gotta have it, and it's so useful. I don't use it that much, but I like having the little pliers with me, and Picoji pry bar, because I pry stuff never, but I like having it. Also, I will, most of the days I will have this in my pocket. This is a Swiss Army Cadet, and it's a super cool, but because of the magnifying glass, I like having this one, big magnifying glass. I buy a lot of watches. I sell, but I also buy, and it's crucial to have this one to inspect the watch, check the dial condition and everything. I think everyone who buys watches knows this, and should have it. It tells you a lot of things. If you don't have this one, you can use your phone macro, but in a pinch, I like having this one, and it also makes you look a bit cooler. And there's nothing wrong with being cool. Also, speaking of watches, I've been wearing, these are the 3 watches I showed you, my main 3 summer watches this summer. I never had more summer watches. This is my Submariner, very cool watch. I always wanted to have one, and I finally got one, and this is the first summer of me actually wearing it on a daily basis, but you cannot wear it on a daily basis when you got icons like this one. Both of these watches are iconic. This one is affordable. This is an SKS 007, discontinued model, but you can still get it. It's like 200 bucks. Great watch. Band is crappy, but I got this recently from Vario, the stretchy needle, and I just love the color of this one. The color won me over, and this needle is so comfortable that it's like you don't have a watch on your wrist. It's that comfortable. And yeah, I have the wedding ring here because I got married. And what else? Yeah, I have a pencil. Oh, it's not a pencil, it's a pen. I borrowed this one from my wife because I saw it, I liked it, and I said that's cool for EDC because it's just a regular pen, but it has this nice little pattern in here. So let me just show you. See, I kind of like that one, so I had to have it, so I took it. She protested a little bit, but that's it. Also, I forgot a flashlight. This is my main flashlight. This is a cheapo flashlight, ultra fire, like at $5 or less. You can remember it with the, but I like it. Sometimes I will not carry the large flashlight because I have one on my keys and on the phone, but that's just a backup. And whenever I'm going somewhere for a longer period, like the entire day, I will have a flashlight with me. Sometimes I forget it, but I have my backup. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for making this far. I would definitely love to see what's in your EDC. So if you are interested, share your EDC down below in the comment section, and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I'm EDC Gunner, and thank you for watching.